In this video, I will show you how to fix on ChatGPT if you are getting the too many concurrent requests error. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started, what you want to do is come across to chatgpt.com, and if you look at the address bar just to the left hand side, you're going to see this icon here which says view site information. So what you want to do is give that a click, and it's going to bring up a window like this, and from here you want to click onto cookies and site data. Now next, what you want to do is come down to the bottom to where it says manage on device site data, give that a click, and basically you just want to go ahead and delete everything from here. So just click the trash can icon next to all of these. Once that's done, click on to done. Next, what you want to do is come back up to the icon, give it a click, and this time you want to come and click onto site settings. What you then want to do is delete the cookies. So if you come up to the top, you can see I've currently got 20 cookies on mine, and you would just come and click on to delete data from here. After doing that, what you want to do is come back to your desktop, come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom and type CMD. Then command prompt should come up underneath best match. What you want to do now is come over to the right hand side and run this as administrator. And once your command prompt window is opened, you want to type the following into here, which is ipconfig space /flush DNS, and then hit enter. Then what you want to do is type the next command, which is netsh space winsock space reset, and then hit enter. And once that's done, just type exit and then hit enter to come out of command prompt. Finally, all you need to do is go ahead and restart your PC to apply the changes, and that should now fix the problem and stop the ChatGPT too many concurrent requests error from coming up. So that is how to fix ChatGPT too many concurrent requests error. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.